Hello, friends of YouTube. My name is Benjamin Park from Camstore, and today I am going to talk about the new brand cell phone, which is Samsung S10 Plus, which is right here. So, first, what I'm going to do is to show the unboxing of this cell phone. Then I'm going to tell you the characteristics of this cell phone, Samsung S10 Plus. So let's start with the unboxing. So inside here in the box, there's a case and information and a pin. So I'm going to show you. Here's the information and a plastic case, which is for the protection. And here we have the cell phone, the adaptive fast charger, the USB connector, the Type-C, and the USB normal pen drive. And inside here we have the cable, the USB Type-C for the adaptive charger to connect. And here lastly we have the earphone made by the AKG, which sounds perfect. And that's it, the unboxing. So now, what we're gonna do is to talk about the characteristics of this phone, Samsung S10. So as we can see, the color of this phone is the prism black, but it's not only white and black. Now, as we can see, we have a color of prism white, prism black, green, blue, and ceramic white and black. Ceramic and prism are different, but both of them are very nice. So now, we're going to talk about this phone, the screen, the back, the camera, and everything. So, this is made of glass, and it is very nice. And then now about the screen. The size of the screen is 6.4 inch, and with the panel, dynamic AMOLED, which has a resolution of QHD+, and because of that resolution, it is very beautiful and colorful. And however, the glass of this phone is a Gorilla Glass, which is very good, Gorilla Glass 6. And the resolution of the screen is 3040 times 1440, which is very good, which is very nice and clean, which you guys see, like old people will see, very good and crystal clear. And the new thing about this phone is the camera, which people always people are interested in cameras to take a good photo. And as we can see in the back of the camera, there are triple camera. It is triple. So it has a double pixel of super velocity of 12 megapixel OIS, f1.5, f2.4, with an ultra wide of 16 megapixel, f2.2, and also with 12 megapixel of OIS, f2.4. And the front of the camera, which is right here, it is a dual pixel of 10 megapixel, AF f1.9 and 8 megapixel f2.2. Also in this cell phone, it has an ultrasonic fingerprint, which most of the people wanted to. Ultrasonic fingerprint which is inside the screen. Usually the other phones, for example, S9, S9 Plus, S8, etc., the fingerprint was in the back of the camera, which people liked it, but some of them did not like it. But now, in the Samsung S10e up to the Samsung S10 Plus, as we can see, we finally, in this, this Samsung finally had a ultrasonic fingerprint, which you can just plug it your finger right here and it's going to unlock, which is perfect, which people will like. Even though, thanks to the ultrasonic, when your fingers are dirty or wet, it's gonna work. It's going to unlock. It will be perfect. This phone is so strong that it will work, which it looks very nice. And because of that, you see, because of the ultrasonic also, in the back is very clean. There's no fingerprint anymore. It's just only camera and glass. Perfect. Perfect. The Samsung S10 Plus has a 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes. But right now what I have this cell phone is 128 gigabytes of 8 gigabytes of RAM. It is too powerful that you can play games like, for example, Fortnite, PUBG, Free Fire, and etc. Strong games. Yes, this is very nice. It has almost the power of the laptops, which is very nice. However, it is not only that. There are many different, which is a special type of memory, which there are 1 terabyte of ROM and 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is similar to the gaming laptops. I think it's a gaming laptop, almost there, which is very nice. Which is a powerful cell phone. You can do everything with this cell phone. And the processor of this phone is a Exynos 9820. Wow, that's what I want to say. Wow, it's very nice. And the battery of this phone is 4100 mAh. And in this phone, it has a stereo speaker, which sounds very clean and perfect. It's like a cinema. Like when you're watching a movie, it sounds pretty loud and good. And in this phone, it has an IP68 resistance of water and dust. And the weight of this phone is 175 grams, which is not heavy. You know, like you can have with your hand like 24 hours because it's not heavy. You know, look at me. Right. And lastly, the most important thing. This is what I really like it about this cell phone. You should guys also hear very well, crystal clear. In this new invention of this cell phone, which is the combination of energy, which means you can charge between phone to phone. For example, when a friend has a charger and I have like Samsung S10 Plus or S10, S10e, and I have the similar phone as they have. For example, if I don't have a charger or a battery in my phone, what I can do is to tell my friend, can I use your phone to charge, right? So a friend gives his phone and charge attaches to the phone and it charges perfectly, which is a combination of energy. And also we have a wireless charger, which we usually have, the Samsung have, with a pad of charging required. And that's everything about this cell phone, which I really like it about. Like, I recommend everyone to buy this because it's really nice and it's very perfect. And if you like it, press like the button. And if you have doubts, please comment below. And I hope you really like it and please subscribe. See you in the next video. And my name is Benjamin Park again. See you in the next video.